Hey Crypto Go fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Bitget, one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Bitget has some cool features that might interest you. We'll cover its fees, key features, pros, cons, and more. Let's get into it. What is Bitget? Launched in 2018, Bitget is a global crypto exchange known for its futures trading and copy trading features. It allows users to trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies with leverage up to 125x. Bitget is also regulated and provides a secure platform for both beginners and advanced traders. Key features of Bitget in 2025. 1. Low trading fees. Bitget offers competitive trading fees of 0.1% for both makers and takers. You can lower this even more by using Bitget's native token, BGB, for fee payments, which is a great perk for frequent traders. 2. Copy trading. One of Bitget's standout features is copy trading, where you can follow top traders and automatically copy their strategies. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn by mimicking the pros. 3. Advanced trading tools. For experienced traders, Bitget offers futures, margin trading, and options trading with up to 125x leverage. The platform also provides real-time market data and advanced charting tools. 4. Strong security is a priority for Bitget, with features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, and a dedicated insurance fund to protect user funds in case of a breach. 5. Wide selection of cryptos. With over 200 cryptocurrencies and a wide range of trading pairs, Bitget lets you diversify your portfolio and trade some of the most popular coins like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL. Pros of Bitget. 1. Low fees and discounts. The 0.1% fee is already low, but by using BGB tokens to pay for fees, you can save even more. Great for high-volume traders. 2. Easy copy trading. If you're new to crypto, copy trading is a game changer. You can copy the trades of experienced traders and start building your portfolio without much effort. 3. High leverage for advanced traders. For those comfortable with risk, Bitget offers up to 125x leverage on futures. This can significantly amplify profits, but be mindful of the risks. 4. Strong security measures. With two-factor authentication, cold storage, and a secure asset fund, Bitget offers strong security, which is crucial in today's crypto world. 5. Global availability. Bitget supports a wide range of countries and languages, making it accessible to users around the globe. Cons of Bitget. 1. Limited fiat options. Bitget has limited fiat deposit options, and some regions may face higher fees or restrictions when depositing fiat currencies. 2. Complex interface for beginners. While Bitget is beginner-friendly in many ways, its interface can be overwhelming for newcomers. However, there's a light version to simplify things. 3. Regulatory issues. Bitget faces some regulatory challenges in certain countries, so it may not be fully available everywhere. Be sure to check your region's availability before signing up. Should you use Bitget in 2025? In 2025, Bitget is still a top choice for both beginner and advanced traders. Its low fees, copy trading feature, and high leverage options make it an appealing platform. If you're looking for a reliable exchange with both beginner-friendly features and advanced tools, Bitget is worth considering. Ready to give Bitget a try? Use the link in the description and sign up with my referral code to start trading. Whether you're copying top traders or using high leverage, Bitget has something for you. Let me know your thoughts or experiences with Bitget in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.